Hi, my name's Teresa Miller and I'm a Principal Technologist with Cohesity. Today we're going to take a closer look at our brand new Cohesity DataProtect as a service. More specifically, we'll take a look at the Helios dashboard here, as well as how to get started with backup and recovery. So here's my Helios dashboard. I can take a look at all the storage that I've been using, how much is left in my trial, where my AWS tenant lives, any alerts I may have, as well as the health of my SaaS connections, which are that connection between on-prem and cloud. I can also take a look and see how many objects I have protected, as well as I can look at it differently by last run, how many virtual machine protection jobs have succeeded, for example. Now let's shift gears to sources. In order to get started with protecting jobs, I need my source registered. So let's take a look at how to do this with the vSphere hypervisor. I went ahead and clicked Register Source and chose Hypervisor. In here, I do have to choose the SaaS connection. As mentioned, this is my connection between on-prem and cloud. Do note that we have everything encrypted. It's highly secure, as well as you can include redundancy if needed for your particular environment. Once I have all of that set, I choose the SaaS connection. And it really is just that simple and straightforward. Beyond that, I do need to choose my source details for my vSphere environment, and I would click Save. Now, because I already had this set up, I canceled it, but let's go ahead now and shift gears and take a look at how easy it is to get started with data protection within our as a service offering. I'm going to go ahead and change to the VM listing just so I can get a sorted list of my virtual machines, and I'm going to go ahead and filter by unprotected so that I can find a machine that will allow me to show you exactly how to protect an object. Additionally, I do have the ability to search, so I'm going to take advantage of that here. I chose Win, and from there, I'm going to choose this WinApp05 server. As soon as I did that, this shield became available for protecting the system. So if I click that, I now get a new protection job. First, I need to set the policies on this job. These are my SLAs. How often am I going to protect this machine, as well as how long am I going to keep those copies. If you don't like anything that's in the list, you can do a custom one, but you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and choose Silver. We also have the ability to display more options. So this is your start time and end time. You can exclude elements from the system for being protected. I know sometimes we do that with certain drives or files. But for our demo today, we're going to go ahead and just choose Protect. So it's that simple. This is protected. And now we can shift gears to how to do a recovery. To do a recovery, I'm going to choose a machine that's already been protected. So I'm going to filter by protected. Keep in mind, you could absolutely have done a search to find a particular machine to recover. And then in order to do that recovery, I'm going to go ahead and select CDP Demo 01 and then choose Recover. I have the ability to recover to the original location as well as a new location for redirected restore. But for today, we're going to leave it as original, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a prefix to it so it doesn't overwrite the machine that's there. From there, we're going to click Start Recovery, and we're on our way. So what we're looking at now before we close things out is our activity list, which is filtered to show recoveries. Wrapping things up, I'm back over to Helios, and that concludes my demo of Cohesity DataProtect as a service.